Piaget MTET Mcq Both Kohblerg Theory of Moral Development. According to Kohlberg, which level of moral development is based on avoiding punishment and seeking personal gains. Kadehaka stage kadehaka pre-conventional stage. In which stage do individuals follow rule to maintain social order and avoid cause to ketika stage for the law and order. The number three of a person who believes law should be changed if they do not promote the greater good is in which stage? Ketika number five, number C, ketika stage five, ketika social contrast. Termasuk in Kohlberg higher stage of moral development, people base their decisions on number three abstract principles like justice and human rights. Number five, a child follow rules only to avoid punishment, which reflect which stage. Mau ketika obedience and punishment. Kategori number A. Which of the following best describe the conventional levels of moral development? Answer ketiga number B. The morality is based on societal rule and approval of others. Number 7. According to Kohlberg, most adolescents and adults function at which moral level? Conventional levels. Number 8. In which stage is moral reasoning based on mutual benefit and reciprocity? Answer ketiga number B, stage 2, self-interest. Answer a person who break the law to uphold a higher moral principles, example saving a life, is at what stage? Answer number C, the universal ethics principles. Number 7, what method did Kohlberg use to study moral development? Take answer clinical interview using moral dilemma. Number 8, which of the following is a key feature of Piaget's pre-operational stage? Take answer ketika number B, egocentrism. Number at what stage in Kohblerg Theory do people make moral decisions based on universal ethical principles? Ketika stage 6. Which of the following are best represent Piaget concept of object performance? Ketika answer ketika number A, recognizing that all that an object still exists even when it's not visible. In Kohblerg theory, a child who follow rule to gain approval is in which stage? Ketika follow rule today interpersonal relationships. According to Piaget, children start to perform mental operation during which stage? Perform mental concrete operational stage. Kohlberg stages are based on moral reasoning. A child in Piaget formal operation stage is most likely to think hypothetically and abstractly. Which of the following is an example of Piaget concept of assimilation? Number B, a child calling a whale a big fish because it swims in water. Number which Piaget stage is associated with the development of construction skills? concrete operational stage. Marco in Kohlberg's pre-conventional level, moral reasoning is based on negative obeying rule to avoid punishments or gain reward. Number 4, according to Piaget, a symbolic play or pretend play emerge during which stage? Mechanically, pre-operational stage. Number 4, in Kohblerg Theory, which level reflect a belief in universal principles such as justice, dignity, and equality. The answer today, number C, post-conventional. Apply a child realized that a tall, thin glass in a short, white, white glass can hold the same amount of water. This is an example of conservations. Kohlberg believed moral development is closely linked to number C, cognitive development.